okay, whatever. She looks like she lost 10 pounds from a massage. Really? Bullshit. No, it's not bullshit. I see this all the time, and I love this. So here is the deal. This person clearly had some sort of plastic surgery in the past, likely a liposuction, and she was swollen like crazy, which is totally normal after any body contouring surgery. She was at a lymphatic drainage massage, and she was just talking about the fact that she looked really big, and then immediately after that massage, she looked like she lost 10 pounds. It's not hyperbole. I see this all the time, and these massages can be so powerful in helping patients recover well and have a good result. Just feel great after arguably a tough surgical experience. How does it work? By addressing all of the swelling that happens, pushing out all of the inflammatory fluid in an area that's had surgical trauma, because let's call it that. Surgery is trauma. Oh, actually, I just talked about this in this video here. You've got to check it out. By addressing the surgical trauma, the masseuse literally will push out a lot of the inflammatory fluids that build up in the area where the surgery happened. In the majority of cases, they literally push them down into your lymph nodes, which are sort of like your body's natural filters to get out excessive junk or inflammation or fluid or good things. In some cases, they even, controversial, don't get pissed off people, but they will push out the fluid through some of the open access points that the surgery happened in. They reduce the volume in the area of the surgery. That volume is fluid underneath your skin that has inflammatory cells in it. This is stuff that your body naturally sends there to deal with surgical trauma. Those cells can hurt. Those cells can make you feel crappy. Those cells can actually keep you alive, which is nice, but they're a little excessive because they are designed to help you heal from a tiger bite, not some well-planned liposuction. And sometimes they're excessive. These massages help you heal well. And number one, they help you feel better. Number two, they help you slim down faster. And what I think is really important is number three, they help reduce the overall bulk of inflammatory cells that will live in and around your tissues in the long term. Because in the long term, those cells stay there and they just dump out collagen and scar tissue and stuff like that, kind of make you feel not normal. So by getting rid of a lot of that excess inflammatory stuff, you minimize the amount of post-operative scarring that you get. And that leads to some nice results. Side note, here's a challenge. If you know anyone who had liposuction in the old days, like 10, 20, 30 years ago, whoever, that didn't get massage done, and you know someone who had it done recently by, let's say, someone who's more attuned to these types of massages, compare their tissues. I promise you, you feel one, you feel the other. You're going to see that the old school people were thicker. They're not as soft, they're not as natural feeling. It's something I see all the time and is such a big part of why I recommend these types of massages so strongly.